inyo. Okay? So, bye for now, guys. See you.
A stronger future for children begins with empowered teachers. With the support of Rotary, in partnership with Knowledge Channel, UPFLCD, and the ECCD Council, Kayang-Kaya Para sa Bata was launched on July 7, 2025. The first of its kind certificate program for the upskilling of 39 child development teachers in Baras, Rizal. To enhance teaching and learning, television and portable media libraries were turned over to child development centers.
Hindi kayo nag-iisa sa paglalakbay bilang mga guro at tagapag-alaga ng mga kabataan.
Guided by experts and mentors, teachers reflected on their growth, created lifelong learning plans, and pledged their commitment to nurture every young learner.
Education of children. Kaya ginawa ko programa to para magtaas ang antas ng karunungan ng mga child development workers dito.
Ito ay naging successful. Baka mamilala kayo ako, hindi lang dito sa buong Pilipinas. Baka naging sa buong mundo.
Equipped with new skills and resources, they now carry this mission forward. Through nurturing care, we are not just looking after children today. We are giving them a head start for life. A stronger future for children begins with empowered teachers. Reach more, teach more with Knowledge Channel Foundation.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Isa sa mahalagang skills na kailangan nating matutunan sa algebra ay yung pag-graph or pag-plot ng mga points. Kinagraph natin o pinaplot natin yung mga points sa coordinate system or Cartesian coordinates. Ito yung mga